The next question is from the Gofynnwyd Police Cadet Unit. They want to know, is enough being done to inform young people around what is a hate crime and knowing their rights as a young person?
What makes hate crime really important is that usually it is crime, and that may be physical assault, it might be targeting, it might be verbal, on people who clearly might be disabled, who might be struggling with mental health issues, who might be from a different ethnic background, who might be from a different faith. And in my view, that is totally unacceptable. And when a hate crime is reported, what we do is make sure that we have specialist officers who can support those individuals who might feel uncomfortable about reporting crime. So we're doing our best to make sure we serve the public by giving people the right resource, the right skills to serve people who want to report hate crime.